This is how to get hair like Keanu Reeves, the man of many unique roles, but even more unique hairstyles, one of which being the long middle part, which has seemingly become his favorite. Today, we're going to be delving into everything you need to achieve the long middle part. We'll walk you through how to grow out your hair, why you should choose a stylist over a barber, and which products to use. So you know Keanu Reeves, right? He's an absolute legend. Most people probably think of him as Neo from The Matrix, that iconic role where he's dodging bullets in slow motion. Then of course there's John Wick, and who can forget the early roles in Speed and Bill Ted. Shout out to the classics there. As an obviously versatile actor, taking on all kinds of characters, his hair has seen just as much variety. In The Matrix, he had that sleek, short style that looked super sharp. Then in Point Break, he had more of a surfer look. But honestly, his long, middle-parted hair is probably his most iconic look. It's got this effortless coolness that really suits him and adds a touch of sophistication to his whole vibe. So if you're thinking of rocking his iconic middle part, here's what you need to know. It all starts with growing your hair out to a medium length, if you're not there yet. Patience is key here, since it can take several months to a year to get there depending on your current length. And yes, just know there's definitely going to be that awkward stage where your hair feels it's in between styles. Not short, not long, just awkward. But hang in there, we promise it's worth it. Now like we said, when it comes to hair growth, just waiting it out is the name of the game. But don't stress, you're not completely helpless here. Using a daily volumizing shampoo like Volume, which is packed with biotin and rice protein, is a great way to help speed up the process a bit. Not only that, but it's also going to ensure that your hair grows with added strength, which becomes increasingly important the longer those strands get. And if you really want to kick your hair growth into high gear, adding a daily biotin supplement to your morning routine can also help. Just take it with your morning coffee and reap the rewards of healthier, stronger hair. Okay, now you've got the length dialed in, it's time for the cut. We recommend choosing a stylist over a traditional barber for this one. This style requires excellent scissor techniques to create those layers and keep it looking natural and effortless. Barbers are great for shorter cuts and fades, but for a style like this, a stylist is your best bet. It might feel a bit awkward walking into a salon for the first time, we know. But trust us, they know how to not only recreate this look, but also handle the growing stages that you'll need to maintain to keep it looking stylish. When it comes to styling this cut, you really can't beat a sea salt spray. Heavy products like putties or pomades will weigh your hair down and make it look greasy, which is definitely not what you want. Instead, a few sprays of sea salt spray will give you much more natural volume and texture, all while enhancing your hair's natural waves, keeping it healthy and hydrated and giving you a light hold to boot. Just apply the sea salt spray to damp hair and let it air dry naturally for that effortless Keanu Reeves look. If you find you're in need of a bit more volume and shape, you can always use a hairdryer to finish it off. Just remember to keep it low. Now it's pretty obvious that a sea salt spray should be a staple of any hair routine, but it is absolutely essential for this one. But be mindful of those in which you choose. Not all salts are created equal. Salt is our #1 best-selling product, as we've combined a high volume of sea salt to give your hair natural volume and texture alongside sea kelp, which keeps your hair looking hydrated and healthy. So if you want to make your life easy and skip searching for the perfect salt spray, look no further. If you're finding you need a bit more control with this hairstyle, salt also works incredibly when paired with a small amount of cream. Its lightweight, non-greasy blend is perfect for guys who don't want to look like they're using hair product, but still need to eliminate frizz and flyaways, or need a bit more hold to pull off the look. So there you have it. All it takes is a little patience, a high quality biotin shampoo and supplement, a good stylist, and some sea salt spray or cream. Follow these steps and you're well on your way to looking as effortlessly stylish as Keanu Reeves.